Welcome. In front of me is a KODAK K12, and today I will show you how you can enter safe mode on this device. So, to get started, let's pull down our notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen and click on the power button right here. And from the boot options, you want to hold power off. When you do, you can see it brings up this window, reboot to safe mode. Do you want to reboot into safe mode? This will disable all third-party applications you have installed. They will be restored when you reboot again. Let's click on OK. And quickly going over this message, what it actually means is that any application you have installed after the setup will be temporarily disabled for troubleshooting purposes. If you don't have any kind of trouble, there is really no reason for you to boot into this mode, as it greatly limits the usability of it, with only the default applications working and any other kind of application you have installed yourself being disabled, so neither you nor the device can start it up. It makes it a bit limiting. Now you'll see in a second, once it actually boots up, we do have a safe mode marking right here to indicate that we're in a set mode, and I unfortunately don't have anything here, any kind of application that wouldn't work, but typically they will become semi-transparent and monochrome, and they will only be visible on the home screen. If you use the app tray, they will not show up in here. And you can also find them by going into the settings and then apps and see all apps, and they will show up right here. So if you need to manage some kind of application, you can see it, you can find it most certainly in here. Additionally, usually widgets wouldn't work as well, but I can see that the Google widget seems to be working, so not sure what's happening here. Anyway, once you're done with this mode and you want to go back to the normal one, again, find the power button, and this time around, select Restart. This will reboot the device, and when it boots back up, it automatically enters normal mode. And as you can see, we're now back in normal mode. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.